In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpause on Life 360. First, let's begin by opening the Life 360 app on your device. You will see the familiar interface of the app, which features your current location and the circles you are a part of. This step is essential because accessing the app is your gateway to managing your location settings. Once the app is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout, ensuring you are ready to navigate seamlessly. This familiarity will help you feel confident as you proceed. Next, you need to select the circle where your location is paused. Look for the tab at the top of the screen that lists your circles. You might see names or icons representing different groups such as family or friends. Tapping on the correct circle is crucial because it directly affects who can see your location. You want to ensure that you are managing the right group settings. Once you tap on the desired circle, you will notice a slight change in the screen that indicates you are now in that circle's settings. Now tap on the settings icon, which looks like a gear. This icon is usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. When you tap it, you will open the specific settings for that circle. This is an important step because the settings menu is where you will find options related to location sharing. By accessing this menu, you are taking control of your privacy and ensuring that you can manage who sees your location. From there, look for the location sharing option in the settings menu. It may be near the top or in a section dedicated to privacy features. Tapping on location sharing will bring you to the area where you can adjust your location visibility. This step matters because it shows you the current status of your location sharing. You will be able to see if it is paused or active. Once you find this option, you are almost there to resuming your location sharing. Next, turn Share My Location on. You will see a toggle switch that allows you to enable or disable location sharing. When you switch it to the on position, your live location will become visible to the members of that circle again. This action is significant because it restores your connectivity with your circle, allowing them to see where you are. This reassurance can be important for safety and coordination, especially if you are meeting up with family or friends. Finally, confirm if prompted. Sometimes the app may ask you to verify your decision to turn location sharing back on. This could be a simple confirmation dialog that appears on your screen. Confirming this prompt ensures that your changes are saved and effective immediately. Once you have done this, your location sharing will be active again. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your location is now visible. Now you are all set. Your live location will be visible to members of that circle again. This means you can stay connected and safe while using Life 360. Remember, keeping your location sharing active is important for maintaining those connections and ensuring your loved ones know where to find you. Thank you for watching and happy sharing.